Now let's find the distance between the straight line 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 from the point 6 comma 2. Now let d be the distance between the straight line and a point. D is equal to ax plus by plus c upon a square plus b square. Okay, where ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is equation of a straight line. Now given equation of straight line is equal to 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. D is equal to 4x plus 3y minus 12 upon 4 square plus 3 square. Okay. Now coordinates of point are given as 6 comma 2. Therefore D is equal to 4 times 6 plus 3 times 2 negative of 12 upon 25. D is equal to now 24 plus 6, it is 3 to the 6. Okay, yes, 24 plus 6 negative of 12 upon 5. So it is 30. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 minus 12 is 18. 18 upon 5 unit. Answer.